Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried connecting Jira with other tools or automating your workflows, you've probably hit one big question. Where do I find my Jira API URL? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find it in less than 2 minutes, step by step, so you can confidently start integrating Jira with your favorite apps or API tools. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to your Jira instance. Usually, your Jira site will look something like this: https://yourcompany.atlassian.net. Make sure you're logged in with the right credentials for your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the Jira dashboard. That's your main hub where all your projects, tasks, and issues are displayed. Now, here comes the key step. Look closely at the URL in your browser's address bar. The portion that ends right before .atlassian.net, that's your unique Jira domain. Everything up to and including .atlassian.net is your Jira API base URL. For example, if your Jira site is https://teamx.atlassian.net, then your API base URL is https://teamx.atlassian.net/rest/API/3. This is what you will use to make API calls for tasks like querying issues, creating updates, or automating workflows. Once you have that URL, copy and save it in a secure place, like your documentation, API setup notes, or a tool like Postman. This ensures you don't have to hunt it down every time you're testing or building an integration. And that's it. You've successfully found your Jira API URL, the foundation for all your automation and integration magic. If this guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos on Jira automation, API tricks, and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.